In this video, we will be talking about the best compact travel mirrors in the market. Whether you're constantly on the go or just need a quick touch-up, these mirrors have got you covered. They are all popular, highly rated, and provide great value. First up is the Mirapost Travel Makeup Mirror. Say goodbye to bad lighting and magnification with this travel-friendly mirror. It's lightweight and comes with a built-in light that has 3 different settings, making it perfect for any lighting situation. Plus, it has a 10x magnifier for those last-minute touch-ups. And with its rechargeable feature, you won't have to worry about constantly replacing batteries. Trust me, this mirror is a game-changer and makes for a great gift. Next, we have the Kintian Pocket Mirror. Don't let its small size fool you. This mirror packs a punch. Its bright lights and magnified side make it perfect for quick checks on the go. It's made of high-quality materials and is both durable and long-lasting. The switch in the back makes it easy to turn off the light when not needed. And at a great price, this mirror is definitely worth adding to your beauty arsenal. At number 3, we have the Fancy Compact Makeup Mirror. This is a great choice for those who want a well-lit, magnified mirror. Its bright light and 10x magnification make it perfect for makeup application on the go. The mirror is well made and arrives quickly and well packed. The smart light feature can sense when the mirror is closed and automatically turns off the light. However, the magnified mirror is not lighted, which may be a downside for some. And while it's a bit overpriced, the chargeable feature and elegant design make up for it. At number 4, we have the popular DeWyzen Folding Lighted Makeup Mirror. And last but not least is the Flymiro Trifold Lighted Vanity Makeup Mirror. So there you have it, our top picks for the best compact travel mirrors in the market. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more beauty reviews and tips.